Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to pronounce the weak form of, for, or, and but in simple phrases. Use appropriate expressions in conversation to seek permission to do something. Identify and recognize the function of transitional device, next, then, again. ऑनरेबल टीचर, ये वर्ड्स हैं लेकिन इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इनको ट्रांजिशनल डिवाइसेस कहा जाता है. जब इसकी बात करेंगे तो फिर तफसील सामने आएगी. मेक एनाग्राम्स फ्रॉम सिंपल 1 or 2 syllable words. Identify parts of speech in a given sentence. Illustrate the use of can or cannot and may or may not. Identify and use should or should not to express permission and prohibition. Recall, articulate and use forms of more common regular and irregular verbs, that is, base, bases, present participle, past and past participle forms, and forms of be, do, and have. And write a guided story using the elements of story writing.